Hello friends, I am Naresh Kamble and let us start with our third lecture of Computer Graphics lecture series. We are continuing with the basics of computer graphics. So let us see what we are going to learn today. We are going to see the two new concepts, that is, what are the different types of graphics. One is bitmap graphics and next vector graphics. We are going to see what is a bitmap graphics and what are the different types of bitmap graphics. So let us start with the definition of bitmap graphics. So bitmap graphics is collection of bits that form an image. The image consists of matrix of individual pixels that have their own color, and here you can see a picture of famous cartoon character Pikachu, where you can find the color of each pixel is different, like yellow, black, red, and you can see it is forming a grid-like structure where each box is considered as a pixel, and when these all pixels are collected, it is called as the bits, and the whole thing is called as a bitmap graphics. So now let us see what are the different types of bitmap images. So basically there are four different types. First, line art, next grayscale, third multitone, and final full color. So let us see one by one. So let us see the first one, line art. The line art name is given so because these images includes only two colors, black and white, and these images use only one bit to define each pixel, and each pixel is recorded when it is turned black, then it is considered as on, and when it is turned white, it is considered as off. And here you can see a very beautiful picture of an elephant where this line art can be seen very clearly. The next type is called as a grayscale. So grayscale, the name is because the gray is a color and the image will be totally in only two colors, that is gray and black. So these image contains various shades of gray as well as pure black and white. It includes 256 shades of gray, and each shade is a 8-bit. The third type is multitone. The name itself tells us that it is having multiple colors. That is why the name is given multitone. So these images contains two or more shades of different color. So here you can see a beautiful picture of a car where you can see different colors, and these different colors are forming a multitone. The last type of image is called as full color. The name is given full color because it includes each and every type of color. But basically there are primary and secondary colors. The primary colors are known as red, green, blue, and the secondary colors are known as cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So all of these colors make the image in a very beautiful manner, and that is why it is called as a full color. Now let us see what is a vector graphics, and here we are going to see what actually is a vector graphics and where these vector graphics are used. So a vector graphics is defined by using mathematical definitions, and these images can be scaled without loss of quality, and the size of the file is also less. The mathematical definition here means it is having different kind of objects or different kind of mathematical things like circle, then line, polygon, and like this thing. So that is why it is called as the mathematical definitions. So now let us see where this is used. So these vector graphics are mostly used for drawing different lines, for drawing the logos of companies or personal logos. Then it is also used for drawing the maps where it is having different kind of curved lines or the sections. And next one is the polygons, where it will just take a line and convert it into a polygon. And last one, the curves, which is the very important part, which gives a very beautiful shape to any kind of object. So this is the end of our third lecture, and here we have seen two different kind of images which are called as bitmap and the vector, and it is also called as the bitmap graphics and the vector graphics. So stay tuned for the next lectures and be in touch by subscribing my channel and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.